Hey everyone, Sensei Glenn here. This is our basic sword combo we're working on in class. Feel free to follow along. Starting off with that nice karate bow, and we're going to step out to the right with that nice side cut. From here, we're going to go straight into our obiani. One continuous, one with a slash going down right. From here, we're going to flip it over, step, and upcut in the angle, down, and upcut on the opposite angle. From here, we're going to pull it back behind our head and spin to the left with that down cut. From here, we're going to come up with that umbrella parry with that nice shift in the stance, and then flip it around for two side cuts. Side, side. From here, we're going to do a standard toss level 2, dropping with the left, tossing it overhead, grabbing with that high block, so we can come straight into that obiani continuous, and then the obiani with the sheath. Once I have it drawn here, I'm going to come back up with the cut and spin right into that down cut. From here, I'm going to flip and come up cut, step and down cut, step back, parry, step down diagonal, and then I'm going to flip it over. I have my table hand here. I spin out and grab negative grip. I'm going to chamber and come upcut with that negative grip, and then I'm going to step back and backstab with that negative grip. I'm going to flip it to the side, clear into horse stance, and give it a big side cut. From here, I'm going to do an overhead flourish as I open up with the right and let my grip switch. And then I go straight into my obiani continuous and obiani with the sheath. As I'm sheathing, I do one more stance change. And as I drop it in, I come down to that knee. That's the rest of that combo. Feel free to follow along. I'll see you guys in class.